Hello, welcome back to another episode. For those who already know me, thanks for coming back, and for those who don't, my name's Daryl and I'm the owner of Crystal Clear Polishing. So in this episode we're going to be working on this Defender. This is in for our underbody protection. We've gone for the smooth protection on this one, so we'll be using the poly. This obviously gives us like a freshly painted finish instead of your traditional bitumen, which is mottily textured. That is what we're doing on this one, so I'm going to get it all cleaned underneath now. I'm going to get the arches and everything cleaned, then we'll get it on the ramps, get it up in the air. We leave it to dry until tomorrow. Once we come in tomorrow, then obviously we can get the underbody done on this, and then it can cure from there. As always, this is detailing done properly. Don't forget to like and subscribe. My name's Daryl. Sit back, relax, and let me do the hard work. Right, so now we're going to get onto the cleaning of the underbody. So what I use for this is I've got some underbody cleaner there. We've put it on with the wand, so it's nice thick, not thick, sorry, a nice strong concentration. We do all the wheel arches and everything. We leave it for probably about 5 minutes, and then we get our water brush out, which is basically a pole with a few washers on and a couple of wheels. Roll it underneath, it's got good pressure in it, so that get all the dirt and everything off. Then we leave this for the rest of today and overnight. Come in tomorrow, it should all be nice and dry, then we can get underneath, do any tidying up we need to do, and then we can look at getting the protectant on. Right, so as you can see, we've got a little bit of discoloration, so that is the product dissolving all the nasties, so that's exactly what we want it to do. You can't see very well, but because we're working at lower levels, obviously. Right, so now all the underbody's clean, all that's left to do is let this dry, so I'm going to leave it in situ for today, well, for the rest of today and tonight, sorry, and then tomorrow we'll get it on the ramps, get it up in the air, and then it should all be dry and ready for coatings. So then what we'll be doing is we'll be doing some spray wax in the actual inside of all the chassis bars and everything. So once we've done that, all the inside will be safe and secure, and then obviously it's just going to be getting the actual sealant on itself. Right, so as you've just seen, we've got the vehicle up in the air. I've just done some graphene primer underneath on a couple of little patches which were not rusty but starting to go. So that'll stop them in their tracks. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to drag some sheeting underneath, mask everything up. It's going to be a little bit more difficult to mask up underneath this one because although it is a square, it's got side steps and mud flaps and things which are going to get in the way. So I'm going to get some sheeting underneath, get that done, and then I will get ready and I'll get underneath. As you've just seen, we put the vehicle up in the air. Didn't actually think I was going to be able to get it up high enough because the amount of drop on the wheels. The ramps were almost maxed out then, so that was pretty lucky. But yeah, right, let's get onto it. Let's get the sheeted up, let's get it undercoated and done. Right, so at this point, now with the masking underneath done, I need to get into my gear, get ready, and then we can get underneath and get the ta-da! So now I'm just coming to the end of the first coating. I'm going to get out, we'll leave it to dry for a little while. And now you can see me with the torch. So this is our second layer, so I'm just ensuring all the blank patches and everything have all been covered. And we've got full coverage underneath. After this I then carry on to do the arches. My mic obviously isn't working, and I'm just currently sat at home doing this. So as always, if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you've got any comments or questions or anything at all, just leave them down below and I'll get back to you. Obviously, we've got socials, we've got a phone number, we've got an email address. There's multiple ways of reaching out to us. So if you do have any inquiries, please do let us know. Otherwise, like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, usually we say detail done properly, in this case this underbody's done properly.